Hi viewers, this is Koyeb Ranch. In this video, I'm going to share information about meaning of livestock production and some common terminologies associated with livestock production. What is livestock? Livestock refers to domesticated animals raised in an agricultural setting to provide labor or produce commodities such as food, fiber, and fuel. The term typically encompasses animals kept for profit or use, distinguishing them from pets or wild animals. Common types of livestock or animals classified as livestock include cattle. Cattle are raised primarily for beef, milk or dairy, and leather. Another type is sheep and goats. Sheep and goats are valued for meat, such as mutton for goat and lamb for sheep. They are also valued for milk production and fibers like wool or mohair. Pigs. Pigs are raised for pork and other meat products. Other types of livestock also include poultry. Poultry consists of chickens, turkeys, ducks, and geese raised for eggs and meat. Other forms of livestock include equines. Equines are horses, donkeys, and mules used for transportation, farm labor, and recreation. Other species of livestock include buffaloes, camels, llamas, and alpacas. They are all common livestock in various global regions. Smaller animals like honeybees, rabbits, and silkworms are also frequently classified as livestock. Purposes of raising livestock, or what are the purposes for raising livestock? Livestock are primarily raised for food production. Example, livestock is essential for providing proteins and nutrients through meat, milk, and eggs, fibers, and materials. Sourcing wood, fur, leather, and skin for clothing and industrial use. Livestock, we also raise it purposely for physical labor. Livestock provide drought power for tasks like plowing fields and transporting goods. Fertilizers. Manure from livestock is a critical source of organic fertilizer for crop production. Economic security. Livestock production also serves as a source of income, jobs, and a financial safety net for farmers. Industry and management. The practice of breeding and caring for livestock is known as animal husbandry. In modern times, livestock farming continues to range from extensive systems, that is, animals grazing on large open pastures, to intensive systems, that's animal raised in confined facilities to maximize output. Let us study some common terminologies in livestock production. Common livestock production terms define animal species by age, gender, and reproductive status, essential for management. Key terms of livestock terminologies include the sire. Sai means a male parent. We also have the dam. The dam means a female parent. We also have parturition. Parturition means the act of giving birth. We also have a term like weaning. Weaning means separating young from mothers, separating young ones from mothers. Gestation. Gestation means pregnancy. And then curling. Curling means removing low performance animals from the herd. Here is a breakdown of common terms categorized by species and management. A term for cattle also means bovine. Cow means mature female, and then bull is an intact male, and then steer is a castrated male of cattle, and then heifer is a young female with no calf. Species and gender name for swine and pigs is known as porcine. Sow means mature female. Boa means intact male. Gilt means young female. And then barrow means castrated male. And then piglet means baby. A term for sheep is also known as ovine. Now the female sheep is known as ewe. The male is known as ram or thap. Whether is a castrated male of a sheep, and then lamb is a young sheep. A term as caprine is also used to refer to goats. Now, doe or nanny refers to a female goat. Buck or billy refers to a male goat. Wither refers to castrated male, and then kid refers to young goats. Species and gender terms such as equine refers to horses. Now, the female horse is called mare. Stallion is an intact male of the horse. Gelding is a castrated male of the horse. Foal is the young horse. Filly is a young female horse. And then colt is a young male horse. These are all classified as equines. Viewers, this is the conclusion of my video. Thanks for viewing, and stay tuned for more updates on my various social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Bye-bye.